Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good week so far, staying warm wherever you may be. Here in Texas, we have finally hit that fall temperatures of the 40s and 50s. It is a tad chilly for my taste, but here I am inside staying warm, and I have a little unbagging, I guess you can call it. My mother-in-law gave me this bag of goodies. So we're going to open it and go through and see what exactly she is giving me. The first couple things I am pulling out of the bag are these Ulta Beauty 6-piece blush palettes. There is a mod for Mauve and a peach pop. Here are the colors for the peach pop. They look more bronzy in person than on camera. I would say if I was to use this, it may only be these two colors. The rest of these, even though they look pinkish, they are slightly bronzy. So maybe a little too dark for my skin tone. And as you can tell, I have no makeup on today. So you can kind of see how my skin tone is. The mod for Mauve is more pinky mauve tones. And I would probably use that one, maybe that one, and if I can tone it down, maybe that one. So I would probably use this palette more than I would use the other one. Next one is this Forever Young Anti-Aging Facial Mask by Plainville Homestead. It has hibiscus, green tea, and manuka honey. Cute little packaging there. And it says, with clean hands or supplied spatula, apply thin layer to cleansed face, avoiding eye and lip areas, and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and then use a dark face cloth to avoid staining of the cloth. And then of course use moisturizer afterwards. It definitely has a clay type smell to it. Very creamy looking. It almost has that like peanut butter, honey, cream texture to it. Alright, the next two products are from Andalou. There is a fruit stem cell revitalized serum and a night repair cream. This one you use in the morning and at night before moisturizing. And then this one you apply only at night, obviously, because it is night repair cream. I have actually not heard of this. It's a Nature's Intelligence. Nature's Intelligence. Haven't heard of this brand, so I'll be interested, to see how well it does on my skin. The next two products are from The Body Shop, Oils of Life. There is an intensely revitalizing facial oil. Love the bottle. It's hard to kind of get it to focus there because of the light. And then there is a sleeping cream as well. Again, the packaging is I mean, there's not a whole lot to really say about the packaging. I just really like the bottle and the jar here. It's got that nice yellow orangey tint to it. Again, have not heard of those brands. So, or that one as well as the one before, so I'll be interested to see how well that does on my skin. The next item is from Acure. It's Marula Oil, which I used to use a little bit of. It did break out my skin a little bit, so I had to mix it with some like vitamin C or something else on my skin. This is for all skin types. It is good for, dry skin, skin redness, scars, fine lines. You can even put it on the tips of your hair. I think it even says here. Yeah, apply small amount to ends of hair to relieve split ends. So it is a good oil. Have not heard of this one, but I have used Marula oil in the past and I really like it. Even the smell of it is a beautiful smell of marula. And some may think it's got more of an oily smell to it, but the marula is, it's very faint, but you can smell it. All right, California Pure Naturals Organic Facial Hydrator. Holy moly. There you go. Replenishes moisture, which is also good for this time of the year because now it's getting cold, my face will get drier. And again, you can just use it alone or use it before your moisturizer. Then we have Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. And this is an organic seaweed moisturizer. It hydrates, firms, and protects skin from environmental stressors. It's good for under makeup and sunscreen, and you can use it day and night. And that's, I mean, it says vegan, gluten-free, no animal testing, which is a really good product. Again, haven't heard of that brand, but I will be definitely trying that one out because I live in the Dallas area and I can't really say smog, but there is a lot of humidity. There's a lot of smoke. We do have a lot of construction going on, so all that dirt and everything else, so that'll be good to use. The next one is from Yeouth, which I do have some products from them. This is the Yeouth Eye Gel. And I think I've actually finished their moisturizer as well as their vitamin C. I think I finished that one. But it is good to use around the eyes just to help any puffiness, hydrate. But this is a really good brand. It really is. And we have some Belief First Aid Overnight Brightening Mask. I do have some of their eye balm, which also goes under the eye. And I actually really like this brand. And it is a cream type mask that is absorbed into your skin overnight. And it does have some vitamins in it as well. Well, I was hoping to open it to see the cream texture, but it is sealed, so no opening it for you guys on camera. We have 3 products left. We have a Dr. Brandt, which is also a very good brand. I have not actually had any issues on my skin with Dr. Brandt. This is a hydrobiotic recovery sleeping mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So whenever I need a little bit more hydrating, I'll probably use this one over the other night cream mask. I think it was this one here, as well as this one. So I'll probably start with this one first just because I know it won't do anything to my skin. Next we have Art Naturals. This is another age-defying serum. It's got retinol, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. There's a word I cannot pronounce. Was I say that on camera? There you go. Astaxanthin. Astaxanthin. We're just going to keep on going until we get it right, right? There's another niacinamide, CoQ10, and vitamin A. And this one says to, of course, wash pat skin dry, apply it to your skin, massage into face and neck, and allow to dry for 5 minutes before applying makeup. Can be used morning and night on normal or oily skin. For sensitive skin, use only at night, and then follow up with sunscreen, as the retinol may make your skin more sensitive to sun. That is good to know. I actually did not know that. And again, have not heard of this brand, so I will definitely do some research and test it out. This next one is Dandelion Dew from Benefit, and it is in the color baby, well, it says soft baby pink. It's in this really pretty packaging. It's like a blush. I'm not sure if you can see the color there. Let's see. So it may be a little too creamy and too pinky for my taste, especially on my skin tone. I mean, maybe not. I have not used a cream blush before, so I'm interested to see how well that actually blends out and blends into the skin. So I will give it a try once again. I think it may be a little too pinky for my skin tone, but we will see. And that is all she wrote. That is all the products, so I will definitely be doing my research on them, testing some out, and once I get some results, or I see some results from these products, I will definitely give my review. I will also step in and give my review if I've tried it for a couple weeks and like my skin is breaking out, or I just don't see any results, or it just is not my cup of tea. So I will definitely keep you all updated. I will definitely post all the products down below to show you what all I've got in a list, obviously. And until the next time, ciao.